Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Glitters World and this is Chumki. So आज का वीडियो is about massage, hair oil massage. So keeping it in mind कि ये summer है and summer में it's very difficult to carry oil. I'm not telling carry oil and go out. I'm just telling कि even keeping oil in head and sleep with that it's really difficult. So normally I use different oils, different composition of oils in winter or in any other season, but recently I was traveling a lot और जब मैं इतना travel कर रही थी I recognized कि it's really difficult to take care of your hair because मैं हर दिन hair wash कर रही थी because of summer. And one basic thing I want to share prior to do oil massage or whatever the concepts I want to share with you for the hair oiling massage. So the thing is कि आप जब भी hair oil massage करते हो make sure कि आपका scalp clean हो. I mean to say कि आज आपने shampoo किया और 2-3 दिन तक you were there and you are traveling, you didn't had any head wash और उसके बाद अगर आप oiling करते हो तो actually आपके सर पे ऑलरेडी स्कैल्प पे ऑलरेडी बहुत सारा डर्ट और पोल्यूशन डिपॉजिट हो जाता है. अगर उसके ऊपर आप ऑयल देते हो so actually you are creating lot of problems like dandruff, lot of hair falls will happen due to dandruff. Lot of problems anyway will happen. So it is not advised कि आपका जब स्कैल्प क्लीन हो, आई मीन टू से सपोज आज आपने शैम्पू किया है, यू कैन अप्लाई ऑयल टुडे नाइट और बाय टुमारो अगर आप ज़्यादा निकले नहीं हो घर से और ज़्यादा पोल्यूशन में नहीं गए हो, so that you can do like I had a head wash yesterday and since I didn't went out, like I went out but just nearby, so I felt कि I can do oil massage today. So I was doing. So please make sure जब भी आप oil massage करो you have to make sure कि your scalp is clean. I'm not telling कि just shampoo करने के बाद ही oil massage करो. You can do it next day also, but just make sure कि आपने बहुत ज़्यादा pollution या किसी जगह ऐसी जगह पे आप थे जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा dirt and pollution थे and it is already absorbed in your head, then doing oil massage won't be helpful. And second thing, it's summer. So even I was traveling a lot this month and I was carrying only a small bottle hair oil. So then I realized कि summer में to keep so much of oil in your head it's very difficult. I agree that. And sometimes because of heavy oil massage and when it is seeping to your head, sometimes आप बहुत ज़्यादा oil massage करते हो और स्पेशली उन लोगों को जिनको पिंपल्स बहुत ज़्यादा आते हैं, जब भी ऑयल आपके स्कैल्प से अगर सीप होती है तो यू गेट ब्रेकआउट, यू गेट पिंपल्स. सो आई थिंक आपने सुना होगा बहुत लोगों को बोलते हुए कि आई डू ऑयल मसाज एंड आई गेट पिंपल्स इन हेड. सो या इट हैपन्स. सो मेक श्योर कि अगर आपको वैसा प्रॉब्लम है you just do oil massage, just doing shampoo like you can keep it 40 to max 1 hour. just do one thing, massage it good 20 minutes massage करो और उसके बाद 40 minutes और 1 घंटे के बाद वॉश कर दो. जिनको प्रॉब्लम है कि पिंपल्स आ जाते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ ऑयल सीपिंग टू योर स्किन, इट हैपन्स. सो या इट्स अ ट्रूथ. और थर्ड थिंग इज़ कि I do lot of oiling on my head, but summer में it's not possible to carry heavy oil. So I'm creating this video for one thing कि इसमें मैं बहुत ही I'm just using 3 products and I'm gonna create this oil massage. Just 2 bottle of oils different and just one thing. So vitamin E capsules, yeah. So by keeping, and I'm using very light oils, I'm not using any heavy oil in this tutorial because इतनी गर्मी में even if you want to keep it overnight, because I generally keep it overnight because I feel comfortable, तो रखना possible नहीं होता है. So for all those points keeping in mind, I'm doing this tutorial for oil massage. Yet I want to give a proper nourishment to my hair because when you travel a much, when you are doing everyday head wash, you are actually damaging, and especially when you have colored hair like mine, it's like colored. So yeah, without much blabbering, let's start with the video. So yeah, coming to the products I'll be using for this oil massage. So first thing is Patanjali coconut oil, which is 100 ml and 200 ml and costed me 65 rupees. So ये जो product है पतंजलि का, they claim that it's a pure coconut oil and they have mentioned all the ingredients. So obviously it has vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium, sodium, everything is mentioned. The basic thing is इसमें actually vitamins and minerals बहुत ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी में होता है, जिसके लिए it's a good moisturizer for your body too. और winters में I use coconut oil in my body also, even olive oil, this, and on top sometimes I apply body moisturizer. So yeah, this is something like very good because it has a fatty acid which makes your hair very strong and shiny. तो कोई भी तरह का आप hair mix बनाए, I prefer always using a good amount of coconut oil. चाहे मैं olive oil, castor oil कुछ भी mix करूँ, but I make sure कि मैं coconut oil उसमें use कर रही हूँ. So obviously for this tutorial also I'll be using coconut oil, and this is very pocket friendly, only 65 rupees. और पतंजलि का coconut oil I would say कि अच्छा है, because it has almost everything is mentioned and there is no chemicals or nothing. It's purely coconut oil and it smells like नारियल तेल simply. तो obviously coconut oil के बिना कोई भी oil massage I don't think कि वो complete है. So yeah, this one. Next oil I would be using is, this one is a new purchase, Vatika enriched with olive oil. So this is actually a new product I have purchased, and I have heard a lot of good reviews on this oil. So this is Vatika enriched with olive oil. Is it all? Sorry, olive hair oil, and with almond protein and aloe vera. So currently I am loving all the products which has something like aloe vera in it. Now it has really great, ingredients. If I see now, it has already mentioned that it's extra hair fall control, silky and bouncy hair. So yeah, they have made sure कि अगर आपके पास सिर्फ ये एक bottle हो and you're traveling, you don't need mix coconut this that. तो on keeping that mind, they have made this oil क्योंकि इसमें almond protein है, aloe vera है, ठीक है, and this is color is green and it smells nice. It's very puja ghar wala aroma kind of thing is there. Now let me see. It has costed me 110 rupees, and the content is new Dabur Vatika enriched with olive hair oil with olives, almond protein and aloe vera, which gives extra hair fall control and nourishes hair, making it strong and bouncy. Since it has already aloe vera and almond kind of thing, so I'm not mixing alag se aloe vera or almond oil. And again, if I have to use castor oil, so there is no point of doing this whole video, क्योंकि मैं ये वीडियो बना रही हूँ ताकि इसमें कम से कम प्रोडक्ट्स यूज हो, and should be not that sticky and that heavy जो हम लोग जनरली करते हैं. So I wanted to make it light, so actually I'm using this two products. Patanjali coconut oil, which is like pure coconut oil, and this is something mixed with olive oil, almond oil and aloe vera is there. So I'm really happy with the content. And the ingredients they have mentioned is vegetable oil including olive oil, Bhringiraj. Again, Bhringiraj is very great for your hair. So, and if you want to buy a separate Bhringiraj oil, so I would suggest कि जो Biotech में एक है Bhringiraj oil that I have used. I think I have that bottle with me. तो जब भी मैं बहुत सारे ऑयल्स को मिक्स करके लगाती हूँ, जस्ट दैट हैवी ऑयल मसाज, तो मैं वो ऑयल भी यूज़ करती हूँ. तो इसमें ऑलरेडी है Bhringiraj, हिबिस्कस है, अगेन इट्स अ ग्रेट गुड थिंग फॉर योर, एलोवेरा एक्सट्रैक्ट 90%. तो इसमें मुझे ज़्यादा कुछ केमिकल्स नहीं दिख रहा है बिकॉज इट्स ऑल सुगंधित द्रव्य है, विटामिन ई है, एंड दिस एंटीऑक्सीडेंट अगेन विच इज़ गुड. So antioxidant actually helps to build your tissues. so which actually helps to have a healthy follicles. और अगर आपके बाल में healthy follicles होंगे which will stimulate your hair growth, अगर आपके follicles strong होंगे तो आपके hair growth भी ज़्यादा better होगा. So only these two oil I'm using, and I'll make sure कि I'll use it equal quantity. There's no fixed measurement कि ये 2 स्पून लेना है या ये 1 स्पून लेना है या ये 4 स्पून लेना है ये भी 4 स्पून. जस्ट रफली इक्वल क्वांटिटी में हम ये 2 ऑयल को मिक्स कर लेंगे डिपेंडिंग आपका हेयर ग्रोथ कितना है. And the last ingredient is obviously this small vitamin E capsules. So yeah, this is a great thing. Now vitamin E capsules has antioxidant which helps again to build the tissues. It helps to have healthy follicles as usual, which actually stimulates hair growth and to have a strong and shiny hair. तो दिस इज़ अगेन यू हैव टू ऑप्शंस, क्योंकि हमें हमारा डाइट कैसा है हमें पता नहीं होता. वी आर नॉट काउंटिंग आवर कैलोरीज और काउंटिंग आवर nutrients, so you can consume it, but I prefer to use it externally. I don't consume these pills. तो what I do कि मैं इसे पॉप करके इसका जो विटामिन ई ऑयल है मैं इसमें मिक्स कर दूंगी. और इसका कोई कैलकुलेशन नहीं है कि मैं एक क्यों ले रही हूँ, मैं क्यों 2. मेरे हेयर लेंथ के हिसाब से मैंने 2 लिए है. अगर आपके हेयर लाइक आई हैव दिस मच हेयर, आई विल ओपन एंड आई विल शो, जिसके बहुत लंबे बाल है लाइक टिल वेस्ट एंड ऑल्सो दे कैन यूज 3 कैप्सूल. आई थिंक 3 इज मोर देन एनफ. तो इट हैज़ great things to do with your skin, even with your hair. So obviously this I have to include when I'm not doing heavy oiling. So let's start with mixing these oils and everything, and let's apply it on my hair. So पहले एक clean bowl ले लिया and roughly I'm adding the oil like 2 spoon will be enough for my hair. इतना काफ़ी है. And on top I'm using Vatika Enriched olive olive oil. So ये थोड़ा सा yellowish greenish color है. I'm using this also like equal quantity. I think इसमें से काफ़ी है. And just 2 vitamin E capsules. I'm gonna pop it and I'm gonna use it and mix it. मैंने ये ग्रीस कर दिया है. This one also. Nothing is left actually. और this is a mixture. इसको थोड़ा सा स्टेयर कर लेते हैं. And I'm gonna apply this mixture on my hair. So yeah, this is my hair length, and I have already brushed my hair. I am using white comb tooth क्योंकि अगर आप ज़्यादा this white comb tooth अगर आप यूज़ करोगे तो you don't get tangle. तो इसलिए you can see it's better कि आप ऑयलिंग करने से पहले जो भी अपने tangles है उसको मतलब अच्छे से कॉम्ब कर ले, क्योंकि ऑयलिंग के टाइम अगर ज़्यादा टैंगल होंगे तो आपके बाल ज़्यादा फंस के टूटेंगे, नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ हेयर ऑयल. सो वो इसका आई यूजुअली यूज़ माई फिंगर्स. बहुत लोग कॉटन पैड से दे ओनली वांट टू यूज़ इन स्कैल्प. वो टोटली आप पे डिपेंड करता है. अगर आप कॉटन पैड यूज़ कर रहे हो तो मेक श्योर कि आप एंड्स को भी ऑयल दे. ये जो एंड्स है इसको फिर ऑयल दे और एंड्स और स्कैल्प में अच्छे से जाए. बट आई यूज़ माई फिंगर्स लाइक आई डिप माई this bowl. I'll dip, or I'm gonna just randomly I'm gonna take like this. It is like I don't have patience to like section it and do like that, because whenever you're running your fingers, so actually you're going like this, so you're touching your scalp. तो वैसा करने से भी आपका स्कैल्प में मसाज हो रहा है. Now you have to make sure you do it at minimum 10 minutes. First doing it for scalp and then I'm gonna do like that. take my hair back side. I'm gonna just do it like this. So thanks for watching the video guys, and if you like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please I would love to read your comments, down below, if you felt any difference, by using this kind of massage to your head. I would be really happy to read all of your comments. So till then, see you soon. Bye bye.